Hey everyone, was this happening to you today when you went to play Movie Play Red or Terrarium TV? You clicked on it, it opened up, and it just went back. Probably pissed you off just like it did me. But there is a fix out there, and I'm about to show you to get your Terrarium TV patch or your Movie Play Red back. So stay tuned, watch this video. This is Cut the Cable. Well, like I said, this was exactly what was happening to me. Clicking on that, and then it's kicking back. And I'm like, what the hell is going on now? Well, this fix probably is going to be temporary. I wouldn't be surprised this happens again. But anyway, at least it'll get you going. And don't forget about those alternatives. I'll be showing more videos about them, like FreeFlix HQ, TTV, TV Zion, and a bunch of other APKs, great APKs out there. But this video is not about that. This video is about getting Movie Play Red or Terrarium TV patch up and running, and I'm about to show you how to do that. So what we have to do is we have to go to our browser. So I'm using my NVIDIA Shield, but just go to your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And what you want to type here on Google Chrome is Blockada. So it looks like I've already been there. But anyway, Blockada, B-L-O-C-A-D-A. So I'm just going to click on that. And right here should be the first link. Blockada, the best ad blocker for Android. So click on that link. And then just go all the way down once you're on that link. All the way down. To right here, it says download Blockada version 3.5. So we're going to click on that. So I'm going to click on my ES downloader. And there we go, I've downloaded it. So now I'm going to open the file. And I'm going to install it. There we go. So I'm just going to install Blockada. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. So just download Blockada, install it. And then once you install it, open it. And we're going to set it up. So once you've come to this screen, where you want to go, I'm just going to click on continue. There we go. So once you get to this screen, go up here to where it says one in blacklist right there on the top right. Click on that. And then once you're here, see right here on the top right, that plus sign? Click on that. Once you're here now, go to host. So it's on link, go to host. And then right here, we're going to type in blog .nitro Xenon, that's XENON.com. So make sure to pause the video and make sure to type in exactly the way you see it. So it's blog.nitroxenon.com. Once you've done that, here I'm going to click next. And then once you see this screen, click on save. Once you've done that, we can back out here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn, see this on the bottom right, this on off, click on. If you get this notice, click OK. And then right here, click off notifications. Once you've done all that, we can back right out now. All the way back out to your main. So if you want to check it out, here on my side load launcher, I'm just going to make sure that blockade is on. It should be on. And as you can see down here in the bottom right, it is. I can get rid of that. I turn off notifications just so I don't get notified of little things with blockade. If you want to get notified, just leave it on. So I'm just going to back out of here. And then let's go check out and see if Movie Play Red is working or a Terrarium patch, depending on what you have. And there you go, you can see it's working. So that's how you get your Movie Play Red or Terrarium TV patch to work. Please like this video, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. Hit that bell icon besides subscribe to cut the cable to get notifications on future videos. I hope this video really helped you out, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.